Hi, I'm here at SpaceX to show you how we build rockets. Stick around to see the full process, like this video.
Check the heat affected zone right here. The sensor reading is slightly off nominal.
R75, copy that. Logging the data now.
The laser scan shows a minor deviation at point C4.
Let's cross-reference that with the structural analysis data.
That's secure.
Verified alignment. Go ahead with the scan.
Apply consistent pressure.
Reading stable. Locked in.
Lowering to the platform now.
Alignment is good. Lock it down.
Aligning to pad 3, watching the guides.
Clear on the left side. Confirm engagement.
Bringing it down slowly.
Copy that. Coming in clean. Clear on the east side.
Looks good. Set her down.
Maintain current speed on the weld track.
The seal looks perfect from here.
Alignment check complete. Ready for the next pass.
Copy that. Moving to segment 4.
Alignment confirmed on my side.
Copy that. Proceeding with the lock sequence.
Clear on the left.
Right side clear, lowering to final position.
Confirmed seated. Locking clamps engaged.
Alignment looks good. Continue descent.
Copy that. Watching the clearance on the starboard side, looking good.
Stage alignment complete. Proceed with docking sequence.
Roger that. Initiating final clamp sequence.
Copy that. Stage 2 is aligned. Proceeding with hard mate sequence.
Confirmed. We are go for connection.
Lower by 5 millimeters on the starboard side.
Copy that. Adjusting now.
Alignment is perfect. We are good to lock.
Easy now. Keep it steady.
We are aligned.
Confirm secure. Nice work. It's work, everyone.
Okay, slowly lowering. Watch your alignment on the far side.
Looks good here. Hold it steady.
We are locked in. Run the diagnostics.
Final position. Stand by for contact.
We have contact. Green indicators across the board.
Confirm secure. A little to the left.
Hold it, hold it. Okay, drop her down.
Navigation systems active. Data streams looking good.
Yeah, confirmed. We are nominal across the board.
Torquing bolts 1 through 4. Green indicators across the board. We are secure.
Boosters secured. All clear.
Torque wrench engaged. Setting to 75 kilonewtons.
Confirmed. System is secure.
Alignment is good on my side. Confirming position.
Solid contact. Proceeding with the torque sequence.
Propulsion nominal. All systems green.
Logging results. Lead. Test successful.
Final torque applied.
Confirmed locked. Connection secure.
Aligning on grid mark 7. Sensors are green.
Proceed with locking clamps.
All systems report nominal on the flight control modules.
Confirmed. Telemetry looks stable.
We are go for launch sequence activation.
Applying final torque to the mount.
Scanner shows perfect alignment. Ready for encapsulation.
Check the alignment on section 4, near the weld point.
The deviation is within tolerance. The alignment on section 9 looks good.
Confirmed.
The weld integrity scan shows no anomalies either.
We are clear for the next phase. Check this reading right here.
Localized density variation. Note it down.
There's a slight anomaly on this seam right here.
The scan confirms it. It's within tolerance, but let's document it.
Agreed. Note it for the final report.
The pressure readings are holding steady at peak velocity.
Excellent. The data confirms the design is sound.
The boundary layer is holding steady at Mach 5.
Aerodynamic forces look nominal across the fuselage. We're cleared for the next phase.
Thrust looks stable at 98%.
Fuel flow is nominal.
We have optimal performance across the board. The thermal fluctuations stabilized right after ignition.
Confirmed. Pressure curves are nominal across all turbopumps.
We are within the expected performance envelope.
The thrust curve on engine 2 shows an anomaly at T+40.
Yes, the injector pressure dropped momentarily right here.
We need to correlate that with the vibration data.
Secure that strap tightly. Roger that. Applying tension now.
All teams report. Go for transport.
Green light from ground control. We are proceeding slowly. Check the forward clamps. Confirm green.
Green confirmed. Proceed slowly.
All right, we are clear to move the convoy. Convoy moving. Approaching the strongback in 5 minutes.
Roger that, command. Rear clear.
Clear to lower. Watch your alignment.
Roger that. Set point confirmed.
All clear on the ground. Convoy proceeding to launch pad. Okay, bring her down another 5 meters. Hold steady on the hydraulics. We are aligned for the mooring clamps. Approaching the mounts now. Alignment looks good. Hydraulic clamps engaging. Okay, bringing her down slowly.
Copy that. Clear on the alignment.
Stand by for securing the clamps.
Locks 1 through 4 engaged.
Confirmed secure. Proceed with umbilicals.
Roger that. Engaging lines now.
Alignment looks good from here.
Confirmed. Locks engaged. We are secure.
Pressure holding steady at 2,500 psi.
Confirmed. Propellant flow looks good. T-minus 5 minutes to stable bleed.
Go for main tank pressurization.
Showing a spike on the oxidizer pre-valve. Monitor closely.
Check the starboard connector port. We need a final torque confirmation.
Reading solid at 5,000 Newton meters. Confirmed. All systems go for launch.
All stations, final readiness report. Confirm no red indications.
Propulsion is green. Flight. We are go.
Alignment sequence complete. We have a solid lock.
Confirmed. Proceeding with launch protocols.
Alignment holding steady at 0.2 degrees.
Confirmed. Proceeding with final securing sequence.
Hold position. We show full green on the indicators. Alignment sequence is complete.
Sequence start confirmed.
Copy that. Proceeding to internal power.
T-minus 60 and counting. T-minus 1 minute and counting. All systems nominal.
Copy that. Guidance is tracking. Pressure holding steady.
All stations go for internal ignition sequence.
Guidance is green. Propulsion is fully pressurized.
Confirmed. T-minus 10, 9.
RSO link looks good, but I'm showing a slight fluctuation on the LOX pressure sensor.
I see it. Rerunning the diagnostic sequence now. Stand by for confirmation.
Check the ullage pressures on the center.
Holding steady at 2.2 bar.
Range confirms clear trajectory. We are go for second stage ignition. Monitor engine parameters closely.
Copy that. Parameters are green.
Data telemetry shows we are stable through max Q.
Understood.
Flight, we are go for continued descent.
Cabin pressure holding steady. Trajectory is good.
We are currently tracking the ascent path. Everything looks nominal.
And we have orbital stability.
Outstanding. Congratulations to the whole team.
We have orbital stability.
Outstanding. The team in McGregor confirms successful burn. Congratulations, everyone.